18500 batteries. These are a 4-pack and it comes with this charger. You can get power into the charger using a USB-C. I already plugged these in and charged them all the way up. The way you get them on there is you push this down and you push it up. When you push it up, it lights up, and you know if it's dead, it's red. Once it's charged, it's green. Okay, these are not AA batteries. These are made for like rechargeable flashlights, solar lights, things like that. These are 3.2 volts, and you can see they're kind of the size of a AA, but they're a little bit shorter, I would say, and a little bit fatter. Okay, so they're basically made for that rechargeable battery, professional grade. They seem to be very, very well made. They seem to be good. This is the charger that it comes in a box. And yeah, real simple to use when you want to recharge them. You just push them in and do that. So very, very neat.